So in Tov Shei Hey, the Rebbe explains, like he usually did, every section of the chapter. In the second so-called Tafshil Lamed Aleph, when the Rebbe started explaining Bosi Legani a second time, we noticed there was one general difference, was the Rebbe would focus more on one central theme of the Perek. In other words, in the first 20 years, the Rebbe spoke more and explained almost like, I don't want to say like Pirush Rashi, but he like took every section of the Perek and explained what it meant. In Tafshil Lamed Aleph and on, generally speaking, the Rebbe usually took the central theme. So in Tavshim Mem Hey, what was the central theme? Helam Achad Helam. That the higher you go, there's more halamis and more halamis, more tzimtzumim, more tzimtzumim. So what was unique about this Maamar? Probably of all the Maamarim of the Rebbe, this is the most unique part of it is that the Rebbe spoke about in Yonim that usually Chassidus doesn't talk about. And the Rebbe said that. He said that Bechlal, you find very rare that Chassidus talks about the tzimtzumim before the tzimtzum addition. So if you want a headline, that would be the main thing, the tzimtzumim before the tzimtzum addition. What does that mean? We usually know that Eitz Chaim, famous Eitz Chaim, it's brought hundreds of times in Chassidus, that Izal says that before anything happened, Eir Ein Sof Hayim Amala Kol HaMetzias, it was only Eir Ein Sof. And then the Eibishter Tzamtzum Satzmei, which means that Tzimtzum is Eir, and created a Mokim Cholol Mokim Ponei, a space. As the Alter Rebbe explains, think of a teacher who creates space for the student. Now you have a Cholol Mokim Ponei, and then in that Cholol, his Mamshech HaKav Chut, a laser beam of energy to create existence. That's usually when we talk about Tzimtzum. That's the first Tzimtzum. It's called Tzimtzum Addition. After that, there are many Tzimtzumim, of course, every world, from Ak to Akudim, Nekudim, Vrudim, Atzilas, Bri, Yitzir, Asiyah. Here, the Rebbe went, Mitzad Lamay Lamay Ad Enketz, you have to say that there's also Tzimtzumim before the Tzimtzum Addition. Because we know that before the Tzimtzum Addition, there's many Dargis in Eir Ein Sof. Not actual Dargis, there's actually a letter from the Rebbe in Tavshin Tes. He explains there's no real levels before the Tzimtzum, but conceptually there are levels. So the fact that it goes from Atzmus to Yecheles HaAtzmus, and from Yecheles HaAtzmus to actually a Moyer, and from Moyer to Eir HaKol Batzmus, and then in Eir itself, many Dargis, all the way to Aleis HaRotzen, all before the Tzimtzum, means there are Tzimtzumim before the Tzimtzum Addition. And the Rebbe again emphasized that this is a Chiddush of Chassidus that you don't find very often that it's spoken.